your mad scientist, Phoebe Offenberg. That's me. Also, I'm a doctor. Today, we are going to learn about cells, and we are going to have a celebration. Woo! Gotta get back to my work now.
I wonder what bodies are made of. Me too! I know. Let's go ask mad scientist Dr. Phoebe Offenberg. Okay. I wonder what bodies are made of.
Oh.
Yeah, what are bodies made of, Doctor?
Well, that's a perfect question for our celebration. Right now, you are touching billions of little particles called cells. That's what your entire body is made up of. Cells are made of organelles. Every cell in every living thing comes from another cell that is divided. A single-celled organism can carry all of its life processes is called unicellular. Viruses and bacteria, I'm sure you've heard of those, right?
Yeah.
It's like when you get sick and stuff. Are unicellular microorganisms that can be beneficial or, in some cases, harmful to your other cells.
Living things have cells. Plants have cells?
Great question. Let's see.
That plant cell looks just like a blade of grass. Why didn't it change shape?
Well, that's because cells are too small for the naked eye to see. They're microscopic.
Oh!
Why don't we take a closer look at the cell's structures and functions through the microscope? Oops. Why don't we get a little closer? That's much better. These right here are the mitochondria. They're the power plant of the cell. These green things over here are called chloroplasts. It's where photosynthesis takes place and where cells' food is made. This object is the nucleus. It's the brain of the cell. It controls what the cell does. This large bubble right here is the vacuole, and it stores water and waste. You can think of it like a basement or attic where you store things. This gel-like material is all around the cell is cytoplasm. It takes up the rest of the space. This is the cell wall. It gives the cell support, and right here inside the cell wall is the cell membrane. It controls what comes in and out of the cell. Animal cells are basically the same thing. But they're circular, and they do not have a cell wall or chloroplast.
We learned so much. Thank you.
Well, I hope you had fun at this celebration.